AT&T has contributed a sizable donation toward the development of Unity Park over the last 3 years, making it one of the project's largest financial supporters.
AT&T is contributing a $500,000 check for Unity Park on behalf of the 16,000 AT&T employees that call South Carolina home.
The company celebrated the milestone by presenting a check to Greenville City Council.
AT&T is all about connecting people, and that's what this park is truly about, for all age groups, all ethnicities, all backgrounds, to be able to come together and enjoy this park. I can't wait to take my kids here and experience Unity Park.
More than $11 million in private money has been raised for construction of the first phase of the park, scheduled to open in spring 2022.